$344 today on this brand new ClickBank account, plus $212.28 on CPAleads.com in just 3 hours completely for free. This is going to be one of the easiest ways to double up your money to make money online, as I'm going to show you a very interesting topic where I'll cover a CPA marketing offer and an affiliate marketing offer into one money making strategy for you at the same time, so you can make money from CPA marketing and affiliate marketing at the same time. We are going to be using what you call a content locker to combine our CPA offer with our affiliate marketing offer to make commissions simultaneously. Both the websites that I'm going to be showing you can be signed up all over the world. Maybe one or two of them will struggle with a country or two, but then what I'll do is I'll just show you a couple of alternatives, and always how to find alternatives to a website if you can't use it in your country. You can do this off your mobile phone, on the go, off your Android or iOS device, any phone or computer with a browser and an internet connection, you can do this. This is a no-cost startup business. You don't need any money to start up a CPA marketing and affiliate marketing business. All the tools are online completely for free. You just need to know where to go with my guidance and how to set all of this up. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you want to follow my journey and see how I make money online every single day from a third world country in South Africa, where I earn in a first world country currency every single day. So if you want to follow me, get trainings, videos on trading, affiliate marketing, stock markets, drop shipping, drop servicing, creating websites, all of the necessary skills that you need to make money online, make sure you subscribe down below with the red notification bell, and I want you to go and do that down below quickly before we continue. Leave a like and comment down below your favorite or motivational, inspirational quote, and I will announce a winner of a lucky $2,000 Drop Servicing University course at the end of tomorrow's video. And don't forget, at the end of today's video, I will announce the winner of yesterday's $30 giveaway winner, so make sure to watch until the end for that. Without further ado, let's continue to step number 1. I want to give you a little overview of how this is going to work. I want to show you a diagram on how this works and what I mean by a content locker. So over here on my screen, I just drew up a really high quality diagram for you guys. And how most of you would know how a traditional affiliate marketing offer works is you've got your traffic, whether it's through paid or free ads or free traffic, wherever you get your traffic source from, would be led to what you call a sales page, where you collect emails, give away a free offer, or any kind of sales page that upsells or sells your affiliate product directly. How we're going to do it in today's video is we're going to take our traffic and send them to a survey, which is our content locker. Now, in order to access this sales page, they first need to complete a survey. That is where we're going to make our money with CPA marketing. Our CPA lead is going to be plugged into the survey, and once they complete the survey and fill out the CPA offer, they will then be led to the sales page of the affiliate offer. So if you don't make an affiliate sale, you still get a CPA sale and make commissions off your CPA offer. So we make double money over here with our survey, which is our CPA offer, and then we make more money over here with our affiliate marketing offer. So this is kind of how we're going to plug in our CPA offer in with a content locker. So we're going to do this backwards. The first thing we're going to go and do is we're going to go and get our affiliate offer, put that together, which is our sales page. Then we're going to go put together our CPA offer and our survey, and then we're going to go knuckle down, and I'm going to show you all the possible traffic methods, including over 10 free traffic methods at the end of this video. So you want to make sure that you watch for that. So what we're going to go and do is we're going to come over to clickbank.com to find our affiliate offer. So over here, ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace for people all over the world to promote other people's products and services and make a commission off of that digitally. Now you can come over to clickbank.com, you can sign in or sign up on the top right. Once you've signed in, it will show up with your dashboard that looks like this. Over here, you can choose from various different categories. What I suggest you do is to find the perfect product is come over to a website called cbsnooper.com, and we want to go and filter ClickBank using this tool with all the reoccurring affiliate money making products. Why we want to do that is, I just want to quickly log in over here. Why we want to do that is because we want to have an affiliate offer that will pay us a passive income affiliate commission every single month. As I'm pretty sure you would agree with me that one affiliate sale with a once-off amount of $27 does not sound as good as an affiliate offer that will pay you $27 every month for the rest of your life. I'm pretty sure that makes logical sense. So over here on CB Snooper, which is a tool where we can, like it says, snoop on ClickBank, you want to click on the reports tab over here and click on reoccurring products. So it will filter ClickBank by all the reoccurring products by the highest gravity with the highest commissions and the highest initial sale amount as well. So take a look at this Okinawa belly fat product over here. You get 75% commission. That is $150 that you will make your first sale. Every month thereafter, you will get $34 a month. That is forever, for the rest of your life, that you have your lead referred to this product. And you've got tons of other products to choose from over here. One of my favorite products right now that is really performing well and getting the most sales is this product over here. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, which is an opportunity that gives people to make money with their social media accounts. Now you get money and a recurring commission every month for every person that you refer to the specific service or program, you could call it. Now, why this is doing well is because everybody uses Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Who doesn't want an opportunity, a free opportunity to make money off of it? Now, the thing is, I know I spoke about the same product in yesterday's video, but the whole idea about affiliate marketing is you want to find various different ways to promote the same product, and you want to focus on one product at a time. So recently I've been focusing a lot on this product, but making different strategies around this product. So I don't want to make my channel boring about promoting the same product the whole time, but hopefully you can learn from me and kind of see what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is you're just going to go and copy this same title of this product over here. You're going to come over to ClickBank over here, and you just want to paste it in the search bar and click on search, and over here it will pop up at the top over here, the get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And here you can see this is as the reoccurring billing program. So you will get $36 your first conversion, and you will get, let me just quickly go back here, $49.71 every month for every person that you refer to that. So that is an amazing reoccurring billing program, and 75% commission is very high. So what we're going to do is we're going to save our product over here. We're going to leave this in an open tab for now. Now that we've got our affiliate offer and our sales page, remember our sales page is done for us, because this page over here, I've just clicked on it now, is the sales page that the creator of this program has already created for you. So you don't need to create a sales page for this. This is already created for you. And then we just need to go and create our content locker with our CPA offer. As promised, I would mention or bring up an alternative or two if ClickBank is not accepted in your country. So you can go and use a website called Digistore24 over here. You can also go and use Warrior Plus over here. And you just open up these in new tabs, and these are basically the exact same as clickbank.com. The internet's a little bit slow. You can go and sign up and find very similar products with similar kind of specs. So same with Warrior Plus over here, you just sign up completely for free, and Digistore completely for free. These are both accepted worldwide. I do know that ClickBank does have a country limitation. So that's just some great alternatives for you guys. Now to go and create a content locker, we're going to come over to a website over here called cpagroup.com. Over here, you can see they've got a content locker, a URL and file locker, a video locker, offer walls, and virtual currencies. What we want to go and do is we want to click on the content locker on this website, that's cpagroup.com. Click on content locker, click on find out more over here. And this is basically what a content locker looks like. Please complete a survey to unlock this protected content, which that protected content is our sales page over here. So here on this content locker, we're going to lock in our CPA offer where they have to complete a survey. And every time you literally get someone to enter their email and name, you get like $2 or $3 for that commission or that little action. Hence why it's called cost per action. So we can go over here and register with our account or log in with your account if you already have one. But in order to register, you just click on the sign up button. It will take you to the sign up page over here where you need to enter your first name, your publisher type. You want to just click on email or search. I would say just search, select email, first name, last name, website. If you don't have to enter website or your company name, only enter the fields with a red star. And over here, basically just your phone number and country. Once you're registered, you can log in now with that same account that you have created. So I've already created an account. I'm going to log in over here with my CPA Grip account. Once you've logged into your account, over here on the left, there's a little bar that says monetization tools. Click on the drop down and you want to click on Content Locker over here. Click on create a new content locker. You need to agree to the terms of service. Click on continue, and over here it will pop up with the default content locker. Now what we can go and do is we can go and change our title, we can change our text over here, we can change all sorts of whatever text we want and links, and edit this content locker how we like. So over here you'll see, if I come over to templates, we can go and choose from various templates. So I'm going to choose, for example, let's go use this template over here. It actually looks pretty good. So I'm going to click on save over here, and notice how I'm using the mobile device, because remember, the majority of people that land on these pages are using their phone. So we're going to go and click on the content locker over here on the editor, so we can go and edit this. And over here we can type, please complete a lucky draw to win a $1,000 PayPal gift card to continue to the next get paid to use social media page over here. And all we can do is we can put here, for example, all you need to do is enter your name and email. Just like that. For the anchor text, you can say or type here, after completion, the social media jobs will be unlocked. And we just want to have show one offer over here. And over here, once this is now typed out, we want to go and choose our CPA offer. So we're going to go and click on show offers over here. And you want to go and search here, country. We just want to go look for United States, and over here where it says get your $1,000 MasterCard gift card, click on this offer over here. So click on it. You then want to go and click on this green little circle over here of the get $1,000 MasterCard free, and click on save over here. So it updates our content locker with that specific offer, which is the opportunity for people to win a $1,000 master gift card. Now what you want to do is click on advanced over here. Under no offers, just click bypass locker. So if anybody that clicks on this link and this offer is not offered in the country, it will just bypass them straight to your affiliate offer, which at least allows you to make commissions off your affiliate offer. Under the content unlock, you want to select this over here, and you want to select redirect to a URL. So that means once they've completed the offer, they need to be redirected to a URL, which is going to be our affiliate link. So over here, come back to ClickBank, click on promote over here of your get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Click on generate hop links, copy your hop link over here, come back to the content locker over here, paste your affiliate link. So that means when they complete this offer, it's going to take them to this page over here. So now you've made money on the CPA offer, which you will specifically, let me actually show you, you will specifically get paid $2.57 every time you refer someone to the CPA offer. Once you've earned that $2.57, you can still go and make more money off your affiliate offer over here. So once you're done over here on CPA Grip, click on save over here, and here you can see is the get code of your content locker, and here you can see over here is the link to your content locker. So you want to go and copy this and open this in a new tab, and you will see that your content locker will pop up like this. Now once this is done, you can copy the link to this content locker over here, and this is the page that we want to go and get traffic to make money off both our CPA marketing offer and our affiliate offer at the same time. And the next step is to go and get a whole bunch of traffic to this affiliate offer, which over here on this website where all the traffic is going to come from, 89% of the traffic comes from United States. If you remember correctly, the offer that we chose on CPA Grip over here, that only allows traffic from the United States. Otherwise, any traffic from other countries will be bypassed straight to your affiliate offer. So over here, this is a perfect website called oodle.com where we can go and get tons of United States traffic to our affiliate offer. What you want to go and do is you want to go and sign in or sign up with your account on oodle.com. And once you've signed in, click on post on the top right over here and it will allow you to go and create your post. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill out this post and then explain to you exactly what I did and why I entered the following. For the title, I typed online social media jobs that pay $25 to $50, no experience or qualifications needed. This is an opportunity for you to make money off your social media apps doing simple jobs, no experience or qualifications needed. Click here to start your social media jobs, and then I've got the link to my page over here with the content locker where you will make money off your CPA offer and your affiliate product at the same time. For the jobs, the category, I just selected jobs and marketing, which has got to do with social media. The company, I just typed online social media jobs, job title, part-time social media jobs, job type, part-time. When you're ready, go and click on post over here so that your adverts will now go and post. Once this has been posted, what you want to do is you want to copy the link of oodle.com, just oodle.com, and you want to come over to a website called sitelike.org over here and open this up in a new tab, and you want to go and paste oodle.com over here. Let's just remove the HTTPS as it's already there. Click on search. And what this website is going to do is it's going to load up a database of all websites around the world similar to oodle.com, where you can go and post these classified ads for you to go and post on and even get more conversions and clicks. So what I suggest you do is go and have a look and post on all of these websites over here. So let me start from top to bottom. So firstly, we've got oodle.com. We've got over 71 Oodle alternatives. So you can go and post on all 71 of these websites, get tons of CPA clicks, CPA conversions, and then redirects to your affiliate marketing offer and affiliate marketing conversions as well, where you're going to get reoccurring commissions every single month. So over here, you just go and click on the link to this website. Let me just close this ad. And over here on hoobly.com, you can click on post an ad. Same thing with, let me just come back here over here to SiteLike. Class.org, right click, open link in new tab, and it will take you to this website where you can go and post an ad. Same thing with classified ads, just open link in new tab, and you can go and post an ad completely for free on all of these websites over here. So just open up all of these in new tabs and go and post on all of them. If you want to, you can even go and copy the link of each of these. So this is adopt a pet or freeclassifiedads.com. Come over to SimilarWeb and paste the link to this website over here. Free classified ads. Click on it just to go and have a look at a background check on this website to see what the traffic's like. So, okay, there's no information on this website, but let's go try Adland Pro. So we can just go copy link address over here. Come over to free classified ads, copy, paste Adland Pro over here, click on it. And let's just go check this website to have a look. Over here, you can see this website gets 80% of its traffic from India. So this is maybe not a website to use, as there's not a lot of traffic from the United States at all. So this is just how you can get a look or save or filter out which websites are the best to post on that are getting the most traffic from the United States. Over here, we can copy this one, which is called AmericanLister.com. We can go and post this on SimilarWeb over here. Go and click on it and let's have a look at where this traffic is coming from. So here we can see majority of this traffic, 95% from the United States. So this is a good website to go and use. So what you'd go and do is you'd go and click on AmericanLister.com, open this up in a new tab, and you can go and post ads in all of the states around the United States. You click on post an ad over here, and the exact same ad that I posted on oodle.com, you can copy and paste onto AmericanLister.com. And as you saw, this is a super simple method to make money with both CPA marketing and affiliate marketing at the same time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you out more. All the revenue that you make from this strategy, you can reinvest and grow and make money on top of your money. So a lot of the videos I've been creating recently have been talking about Forex trading, trading on the stock markets, how to trade and actually make profits with a proper strategy and not just gamble your money away. So I've created 3 videos on trading so far, and I've basically had 14 out of the last 16 successful trades that I've had. 14 of them were profits and wins, which on a strategy I use called order blocks, major swing levels, and RSI indicator. These videos will go more in depth on how you can double up your revenue from active income with passive income and making money on your investments with forex markets on these 2 videos over here. Or I'll just leave a playlist over here with all of my trading videos. So I really suggest go and click on this playlist over here. It will really help you out with investing your money and how to invest with the right strategy. So click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.